Trails Farm, and today we are going to be making baking powder. How many times have you had a recipe and you ran out, or you were making a ton of stuff and you ran out? This is a quick way to make. This will yield 4 teaspoons of baking powder. If you need more, you'll obviously have to increase everything. And these are things that you generally have in your spice pantry or your cupboard if you do a lot of baking. You're going to need cornstarch and baking soda and cream of tartar. You're going to want 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, you'll want 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. I'm going to mix all that together. And you have baking powder. And here's a quick test to see if your baking powder is good. If you put baking powder into water, it fizzes. That's how you can test if your baking powder is good. If you're wanting to test baking soda, you can drop that into vinegar. But so keep it in an airtight container. You could make, obviously you could go and multiply and double, quadruple, whatever the recipe to make yourself a whole container of it. But that's really good in a pinch if you run out suddenly and you're like, oh no, you're still like in the middle of 40 batches of cookies or whatever for some school party or something. So this has been Angie with a quick how do I make baking powder. Have a good day. Bye.